Tuttuguttu TV, Tuttuguttu TV.
Little cow, so full of cheer, hopping round the flowers near. Butterflies dance, the sun shines bright. A happy day, so pure delight. Twinkle, twinkle up so high, little cow winks at the sky, dancing under the moon so round, with fireflies spinning all around. Stylish splash, jump so high, little cow makes water fly. Ducks go quack and fish go swish, what a happy splashy wish. Run and twirl, skip and play, little cow enjoys the day. Through the daisies soft and white, laughing, jumping, what a sight. Drip drop, pitter pat, little cow is glad for that. Twirl around and stomp with glee, a rainbow shines for all to see. Round and round the big blades go, little cow loves the breezy flow. Spinning, turning, side to side, on the hilltop, full of pride. Fluffy snow, white and bright, little cow jumps in delight. Scarf so warm, a nose so red, snowflakes land upon her head. Munch and crunch, what a treat, little cow loves food so sweet. Sitting cozy, feeling fine, with apple snacks and milk so prime.
Tuttuguttu